Oh my God. This song. This is my favorite song I ever wrote. Or my favorite record that I ever made, I should say. Like, there's never been anything else that felt this good. This is the last song that I wrote for this record. I just needed, sometimes when you're done with the record, you can reflect on it, look back on it, and go, okay, I'm really proud of this, but it needs this. I haven't heard this in years. I love this. Shit it, shit it, shit it. I would buy this record just for this song. Anyway, that's why I wrote this song, and it's just about what it says. Rock and roll is going to save my soul. I mean, nothing new. It's just the way I did it. Get it? Come on. Making Noise CD. The song is called Rock and Roll. There it is. All right, let's move on. The next song is My Therapy. Okay, so the opening riff, Richie Blackmore. Hi, Richie. I've been cheated, I've been had. Deep Purple, Machine Head was for me like my nutrition as a young teen. I literally learned how to play guitar listening to Deep Purple, Machine Head. So the fact that that riff came out of my hands and out of my, being is no surprise. Is it a little close? It's really close. But the whole rest of the song sounds nothing like Deep Purple. It sounds like me. So, this chorus. And this song was written about, I'd just been through some difficulties, let's say. And this record for me was therapy, making this record. And that's what the song's about. Very basic. Love the song. There's a video for this song. Anyway, this is the second song on the Making Noise CD. For those of you who don't know about the Making Noise CD, this is it. I love this record. I'm so proud of it. Everybody thinks that my debut is my best work, and it's great work, and it's an ensemble work, because everybody's doing everything on that record. Making Noise record, I made it completely 100% by myself, sitting here. Nobody else came in the room. Nobody else offered anything. All me. So it's kind of crazy to do that. I never thought I would do that. I never had any intention of doing it. It's just that I had been surrounded by so many people making so many records that I kind of needed some solitude. And I had discovered that I could play every instrument proficiently in the studio. I spent my whole life in the studio. So things that are around me, I learned how to play them, And I've been around instruments my entire life. I've had a studio since I was 17. So anyway, that's why that happened. People are like, why would you make a record by yourself? Well, I don't know. I guess I just told you. It's not like an ego thing, like I want to make a record by myself. It's not like that. I have amazing musicians all around me to choose from. But I just thought it'd be fun, so I tried it. And I got 2 songs in. This is the second song I wrote. I thought, wow, if I could do that by myself, I think I can do this. So that's how that happened. All right, moving on. song on the Making Noise Record CD. It's called One Way.
I'm on a one-way train to Jersey. In my tan folks.
Who's the bass player?
I got my dreams and guitars with me. Packed up with
This is a song about me moving out of my hometown, Dickinson, North Dakota, to New Jersey, which was like moving to Mars. I mean, like, especially then, there was no internet, no cell phones, nothing. Like, you know, people in New Jersey and New York were a lot different than people in North Dakota. Not bad. I still have great friends there. Love them. And I love New York. I love New Jersey, but way, way different. So anyway, this is just a feel-good song about moving to New York, New Jersey. It's called One Way. And it's a really good song. All right, moving on. Fourth song, Making Noise CD. Speak of the Devil. This song might be about somebody I met along the way. Might be about a couple somebodies I met along the way. When I took a poll, it seemed like this song was everybody's second favorite song on the record after My Therapy. Kind of a dark song. Speak of the Devil. Probably going to be a dark song. You know, I don't listen to my own music, so this is like fresh to me. I haven't heard it in years. Really proud of this record. Really proud of it. Yeah. Right on. Speak of the Devil. Okay, next song. Fifth song. Song 5 on the Making Noise CD. Shook. This is Bruno, my buddy Bruno Ravel. Mr. Naughty Naughty, Danger Danger. Hey Bruno, what's up, dude? This is his favorite song on the record. This is a song about just getting screwed over. Which, you know, everybody gets in life, right? Nobody has a perfect life. And I have been screwed over a few times. I can tell you some stories, and maybe I will. Not right now. But anyway, it's called Shook. Because, you know, sometimes we get shook. Kind of speaks for itself, this one. And Bruno Ravel's favorite song on the record. So, it must be good. Because he's a badass. What have I done? I don't even know the words. I've been stolen from and I've been abused. Because you lied. You denied. Everything you took. Ooh, I'm pissed. Shake, shake, shook. Nice lyrics. Alright, next, let's move on. That's enough of that. Song 6. Just a Word. This is the love song. Might be the love song.
Sitting here alone.
This is a really good record, yeah?
Searching for the song.
It's almost like I'm listening to somebody else's record. It's been so long since I heard it.
It's hard to find the rhyme.
Very Beatley, right?
About what's yours and mine. You and me, girl.
Beatles. Yeah, man. Love this song. Song for my wife. I usually have a song for her, at least one, on every record. There's a really good one on the next record. Anyway, it's just a word. Making Noise CD. Moving on. It's just a word. Ow. Song 7, Making Noise CD, is called Alone. This is the song about wanting to be alone. Which I don't, I mean, everybody needs to be alone, right? Sometimes. I actually really like being alone. And I am alone a lot. It's good for me, Dancing. This is another song, like leave me alone kind of song. Cool song. Yeah, real nice, Mitch. Okay, moving right along. This next song. Oh, this is the first time I ever used a slide in my life. Hear that? Yeah. Wow. Very like Henley-ish. This is a song about the young love that sort of came, I don't know where this song turned out to be real, sort of autobiographical a bit, but it didn't start that way. Like, I didn't know where this song was going. Sometimes songs, you start them, you don't know where they're going. It's like, and then they reveal themselves and they're like, oh, this is about that time when I was 15 and I got dumped or whatever, And that's why I was wrong. It's like I was, this is a song about being dumped, basically. I was wrong for you. You were way too good for me. All I was wrong. Yeah. It's a good way to say I got dumped, I guess, right? Yeah. Cool song. Proud of it. Okay. Song 9. A lot of the metal guys, this is their favorite song. Because you can hear it. Kind of metal riff. Life Has Just Begun, it's called. I'm staying up here on my cloud with nothing standing in my way. This is a song about like being happy and everything's awesome and life has just begun. It's like, you know what I mean? It's like this moment is it, and everything's going to be great from now on out kind of thing. Not to say that things were bad before, but because I don't live like that. I live in the moment, like everything's good now, and that's it. That's all that matters right now. Except when you think about your kid, of course, then you think about the future, which I do a lot for her, but not so much for me. Cool song. Life Has Just Begun. Because I'm so metal, ask anyone. All right. What else we got? One more song. Almost done. 10th song on the Making Noise CD. It's called Making Noise. I did that again on the new CD.
For once in my life, I want something to come easy.
Seems to be a theme with me. I didn't even realize I did that. Again. A song called Making Noise. And this song is about being needy, I think. Because sometimes I'm a needy bitch. Imagine that. I have to listen to the lyric. It's a song about feeling like you're invisible. That's what it's about. I could scream, you still won't hear my voice. I'll just be making noise. Talking to the wall. You're not listening to anything at all. Anything at all! Ah! See what I did there? Ah! This ain't any fun. This is a song about being in a situation that you don't want to be in. Yeah. It's good to get out of those situations, I think. I'm pretty good at it. I think it's a healthy way to be. So anyway, that is the Making Noise CD. I hope you guys like this little video tutorial about the CD. I know there's a lot of people who don't even know about this CD. We've already sold a whole bunch of them to the people who do know about it. And now we've got a whole new order in. So we're hoping to sell those. And if it does really, really well and people want vinyl of Making Noise, we might even do vinyl on this later. The new record is coming soon, and that will have vinyl and CDs. New t-shirts, new merch, everything. And I really hope you buy that package, but I also hope you buy the Making Noise CD, because as you can hear, it's a really good CD, dudes and dudettes. Anyway, I love you guys. I'll see ya. Love my t-shirt. The cruise, man. I was on the cruise. I missed the cruise. I hope I get to go back on it someday. Come on, Larry, let's do the cruise. All right. I'll see you guys.